Hello and welcome everyone to today's video. In this video, you will get to see some special moments captured during the wedding preparations of Bapdhan. The groom's hardships, the joy of the groom while playing the dhol, niece Jessica's fashion walk, her melodious singing, Moon and her sister's graceful palms blooming with henna art, the beginning of the journey of the Joran ceremony, and the fun after arriving. There's also chanting of devotees through Nam Kirtan and special sweets brought from the Joran ceremony. On the day of Joron, the vehicles are ready to go. The bustle of the day before the wedding, it's as if everyone is eagerly preparing for the big day. The dream wedding is about to happen, so the Joran ceremony needs to be completed smoothly. It's quite a scene. The groom loading the bride's gifts into large suitcases. Watching it feels a bit emotional. I wish I could have helped, but I usually stay away from expensive things. I prefer a simple, modest life. All the necessary items for the Joron had already been prepared beforehand. Today, they are simply being loaded into the cars that will head out. There are many customs in society, and it is because of society that humanity becomes strong. However, within the same society, there exists a lot of division and differences among people. Even amidst such diversity, marriage is a tradition that can unite not just two families but two communities as well. The Gokhai Ghar is the spiritual center. The devotees will begin the rituals from this sacred place. This wedding will be concluded with devotional hymns, Nam Kirtan, led by the devotees. So, the arrangements have been made under their guidance. Before leaving, the groom received blessings from the devotees. Although traditionally, the groom does not go to the Joran ceremony. In most Assamese weddings, a day before the wedding, women from the groom's side traditionally visit the bride's home to present gifts such as jewelry, clothes, and more, following customary rituals and protocols. Among the special ritual items being taken to the bride's house is brass pitcher kolosi. The brass pitchers, one for the groom and one for the bride, are meant to symbolize and bestow happiness upon them. One of the most important items in an Assamese wedding is betel nuts and betel leaves, tamol pan, especially raw ones, which hold significant cultural value. The pitchers will be carried by the groom's mother and sister, are part of the ritual. At the beginning of any ceremony, the sound of the uruli, traditional ululation, is considered auspicious, which is why it is called a Mangalik Dhwani, a sound meant for the well-being of all. In weddings especially, from start to finish, the uruli holds great significance. There is also a custom that during this procession, one must not look back while carrying the pitcher. Amiran is the driver of this Joran car. We took this car on a long journey outside Assam. We'll share more about this journey in detail in the future. Moments of the entire trip has been captured. After Joran's car went to the bride's house, while the hungry groom was having refreshments, I playfully asked, why hasn't Dora's Haki, close friend, arrived yet? You might not understand this now. I'll explain it later.
Oh no!
Early in the morning, Mohan Da from Panpur delivered some elephant grass, Ikora, for a weeding ritual. Seeing it, I couldn't resist teasing Dora. This is Ikora, and you are Okora, a fool.
Ikora is an Okora. Okora Pundit.
धीरे से रास्ते है तीखे से चांदनी की बात करे सपनों के राज खोले चांद की चाल 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 मूव वॉक कर कर कर
I knew Jessica was a wonderful dancer, but I had no idea she could sing so beautifully too. As she was softly humming, I thought I'd share a glimpse of it with you all. Natural mehendi not only enhances beauty, but is also good for the skin. As for the ones available in the market, I'm not sure about them. Many Indian communities outside Assam create various artistic designs with mehendi, and that influence has reached Assam as well. Sneha has made a beautiful mehendi design on Munmun's hand. I captured a bit of it. Just have a look at how beautifully it's been drawn. Babu is a skilled doll player and the groom's brother. He's added some extra spark to the pre-wedding celebrations. Of course, the groom isn't any less a silent rock star. Through the beats of the dhol, he's joyfully expressing his happiness for his own wedding. Everyone, do drop a little appreciation and leave a comment. Avani is a good-hearted boy, but most of the time he remains absent-minded. That's why, to lift the moment, I asked him to dance, and he responded with a couple of quirky moves.
तेरी यादों में जला हूँ तेरे वादों से ठगा हूँ
The vehicles returning from the Joran arrived home one after another. As they arrived, I saw elder uncle entering with a smile. Today's trip to Joran was quite exhausting for everyone. It was a long journey from Tezpur to Furkating Golaghat.
জোতা মিঠাই টোপোলাটো চাওঁ এইটো নিগনি কুটিব লাগিব সেইটোৱে কৈছোঁ ব'লা এইটো মিঠাই টোপোলাটো থাকিলে ডলাখন অ সেইখনে আছে
জাঙিয়া কেঞ্জি
আমি যাওঁ এইটো
আমি যাওঁ
এইটো মেইন বস্তু
ইয়াৰ মাজে ভাবিছা নেকি
While younger brother Ratul was unloading the luggage from the car, I noticed the sweets. Later, the groom distributed them among everyone. After the successful completion of the Joran, wouldn't it be incomplete if the young men of the area didn't celebrate a little? Well, that too happened. At dusk, I went with Brother Ratul to his room, where he spoke about an 85-year-old bed, a bed that, untouched by termites, has remained sturdy in its own way. I'll share more about it later. After strolling in the twilight, I stepped into the wedding house atmosphere, and at that moment, the devotees began the evening Nam Kirtan. The groom, who is growing into someone capable of shouldering both family and community responsibilities, extended his support. In doing so, he found a quiet connection with the spiritual essence of his own community. Some special videos from the night before the wedding, capturing certain rituals, along with a few clips taken during the wedding preparations, whenever time allowed, have been recorded. I'll share them with everyone after editing, in various forms, whether as long or short videos, depending on the content. Amidst all the busyness, I could only manage to shoot a few videos in the little time I had. So many memorable moments and scenes were captured only by the camera of my mind. I couldn't record them with the actual camera. Thank you.